box. So we're gonna pop this out, show you the vibes. I'm gonna flip this over. There we go, guys. Nice. Turn this around so you can see the vibes. Okay, so we got you ready to run. Let's pop this open. And I really strap down this box, so I'm gonna have to cut this open here. We got some cool styrofoam cut out nicely. I like that design right here. That is cool. There we go. When we open up the box, guys, and pull out the styrofoam, it look really beautiful. Nice. Nice, nice. I like the radio in orange, favorite color. Let's pop the radio out. And this is a 4-channel radio. Battery comes underneath here. It takes 6 batteries. So we're gonna pop 6 battery in there and get this moving for you in a minute. Very cool, digital, very cool. So the radio, nice and light. The trigger is very slick. Got a lot of different functions here that we gotta get used to. We got an aerial what goes up, and the radio is 2.4 gigahertz. It's a pretty good radio, but it's nice and light. It's not too heavy in your hand. A little bit big, but this is what it is. Alright, so let's see what else we got in this box for you guys. 2 pieces of wiper. So that's your wiper blades right here. Really cool. What else we got? We got some decals right here to go on the hood. Kind of carbon fiber looking. And this piece right here is your battery compartment to go at the back right here. So this goes on the tray at the back. Alright, let's move on. Now as you look inside the box right here, guys, you can see that the tray is open up. It's got this 2 little latch right here. Just gotta squeeze that like so. Just gonna pull this up, and right there we lock the tray. So really nice, cool truck. In here we got sunroof. So let me take the truck out of the box and get busy with it, guys. There you go. There's a shot underneath the truck. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's give them a shot of the number. Right here we got PH0071. So cool truck. This here looks like aluminum, but it's plastic. So there's a piece of shield here to protect, I guess, your steering arms and stuff. Feeling the tires is really nice and gushy. Nice sticky tires. Very small tires. Gearbox looking cool. It looks aluminum, but to me, I'll be honest, it feels like plastic. Now right here where the motor is connecting is aluminum, but right here the gearbox looks like plastic. And the dry shaft is metal. Front and back dry shaft is metal. And we have independent suspension up front. That is cool. Both sides, as you can see, guys. We got some cool steering arm. You can adjust it just like a real truck. I like that. And we got the reservoir shocks. Nice blue and silver. What else we got? Let's move down here to the servo. That's the servo what will lock your differential. And it look like this differential will be locked. As you hit the servo, the 4-wheel will go into 4-wheel drive at once. So there's no independent locking differential here. All will be locked at the same time. Really cool back here. Noticing we got a spare tire what could be used on any end of the truck. And back here we got lift springs. The lift springs look like got a thin piece of metal and plastic at the bottom, and we got some reservoir shocks again. Really cool. I like that. Chassis is, you know, metal back here, so that is cool. We got a hinge already set up for your trailer. That is cool. We got a hard plastic body. That is nice. And this is a black kind of look, kind of black gray in a sense. Now let's get down to the goody stuff. This is where your battery would be coming right here. You got your DINS plug back there, so your battery will be coming right here. We'll soon pop a battery there for you. We got back windscreen clear. We got seats inside. I noticed the seats, they don't finish molded, but that's the way it is. Let's get into the good stuff. There's a little latch right here. You move it forward and you can open up the door. And we got some seats inside there. That is really cool. We got steering wheel. We got a real good function in there, guys. So let me just mention the mirrors on the door. That is cool. On top here, the sunroof. We got places to put lights, for cut out for lights kind of thing. And let's close the side of the door. Whoa, it slams really shut. I like that. Let's move on the other side of the vehicle and show you the driver's side. There we go. Get a good shot in there. Check out the steering wheel, the gear lever. It's really cool. You even got cup holders. Now that is nice. Real cool detail that RC4WD put into this truck. Got nice bucket seats, so I like that. Yeah, so the detail is really nice on the truck. Really cool. You know, even on the doors, they give you a shot on the doors right here. You know, they give you a nice cutout. There you can see really good details on the truck, you know, so it's beautiful. Now if you're wondering if the back can be open, it cannot be open at the back here. It's only the two front doors. So this is about it. The mirrors. This is what we got going on here, guys. So yeah, the truck is really cool. Got a really good weight to it. Nice and hefty. Now we got Hero marked in front of the truck. We got two tow hooks up here. We got space here for lights on the both sides. So in time we're gonna light up this truck. But this is what it is right off the box. Got some nice little grill up here. They're not functionable, it's just, you know, kind of cut out that they give little grooves, but that's it. For the truck, I like it. Straight off the box, it looks serious. I like it. And tell me what you guys think about this truck, guys. Let me show you the back side of the truck. Let me flip this around here, show you. I just noticed that we got some tailpipes. See right here, we got two tailpipes, one here, one there. Let's turn the truck over and take a look underneath again and see how it's set up. Now the tailpipes don't go all the way, just small piece right here on the both sides, but that's all right. It's nice and cool, you know. They give us some good details. I like that. What can I tell you? The differential is all in one. There's no independent suspension, but the spring, we got lift spring. It's got its own shocks. It's got a nice bounce towards it. So we got some travel here that we could work with, and everything seems to be working. We got metal clamps holding down this lift springs. That is cool. So pretty nice details back here, guys. I cannot complain. The truck look nice, and this is ready to run. All right, guys, so I want to mention on the wheel right here, we got 6 nuts to remove to get that wheel out. There's no one nut in the middle, there's 6, so it's a hell of a job to remove these wheels, you know. So I just thought I'd mention that so you guys know. And the tires from JD model, and as I say, it's nice and grippy. It feels really good. So we're gonna put it to the test on the trail and show you how it goes. I noticed back here we got, I think we got, you know, I'm not sure if we got space for a light back here for brake light, but that's a really cool detail right there. And I like the sunroof and all the little lights cut out right here. And this is where your battery plate will be going to finish up the tray. So just like that, this is really cool. I like that they have the wheel wells. The tray inside is nice. Let me open up the back again and show you. There's 2 little clips in here. Come close, cameraman, show them what time it is here. Right there. Pop that so. And the back of the trays of the truck is opened. Now to put it back in, you got to do the same thing. You got to close it in. See that pins closing in like so, and just like that. You got a little hole that this piece of metal go inside right here, and that is cool. So we got the back tail light. Let me just check this out for a minute. We got 2 holes to put LED bulbs in here. So we're gonna light this up. You don't know garage vibes like to light up his trucks, and but right now we're just gonna take this, put it on the trail, and show you how it performs. So we're gonna put some battery in the controller. Alright, so we turn the controller on, and this knob right here, this is for the locking differential. When you turn this, all 4 wheels would lock at once. There is no front locking differential or back locking differential. Alright, this right here is your cruise control knob right here. This little thing right here, when you push it forward, you can go forward and it will cruise for you. You make a beeping sound like so, and that would cruise to how fast you want to cruise, and you can go backwards and forward. And here, what that does, that gives you the amount of throw that you want to lock the diff. So if you want the diff to lock very quick or halfway, that will give you some kind of beep. And this one right here, what that does, that center your steering servo to keep it level. So we get a few little control here, and this little button right here is for you when you have your lights. That's your light button to put the light on and off. And we got where you can put your USB right here to set the different control levels that you want on your computer. We have exit and we have decrease and increase, and here we have enter. So different functions here, guys. When you press them, they'll give you different channels. And we got a cool little aerial here, nice orange wheel. So now we went ahead and put some action figure inside of the vehicle. Really cool action figure, guys. We just want to show you. So let's go inside here and take a look and show you what's going on. Let's open up this door, and cameraman will go in there and show you some really cool action figures that we put in there. So we thought we'd put some, action figure in there to make the vehicle look really cool on the trail. So let's show you the driver, guys. Cool action figures inside there. Put the wiper, we'll stick it on with a little bit of glue. So this is what we do. And the next mod that we did back here, let's take you back at the battery box here. We end up changing the DINS plug to Traxxas so we can get our Traxxas batteries to work. So as we're here, let's pop the battery inside and take this vehicle on the trail and give you a run. Show you how it does. There we go, we got some juice. Kind of tight inside it, guys, and it's a short battery what can be fitted in here. If you have the long batteries, you wouldn't be able to fit, so we got to get that really slick in there. There we go. Tuck the wires inside and get the battery cover and just slide it down in here like so. That's it. Now we can close up the truck. And we got some vibes ready to run. Let's put them down on the ground, see how we do.